So improper inventory management. We already discussed about this bug. What happens sometimes developer, what they do, they create an endpoint like this one and user and something means like a user ID 1 and we are accessing that user. Okay, after some time they have some bug in the v2 and then they upgraded that to v1. After some time they changed v2 v3. Okay, user and 1. So they are doing upgrading by this. So what happened? Even they upgrading to another version. So this is version 1, version 2, version 3. So they are upgrading one by one. So even they are upgrading into 3. So if there are v1 or v2 is working, then maybe see this, they are old version. So maybe we can find out some functionality that is they do not patched. So we can exploit that. So how we can find out this and how we can exploit this? Okay. So you can use the postman. First of say you can use the postman to check like okay which version is accessible and which version is working and which is not. Okay, so most of the thing I already explained about the postman. So I will explain something more things. See, you can check out there. So there is a see v2 is there everywhere v2. Okay, let's check out in our there you will see. See v2. So we can check for v1 one thing and let's go down. Okay, see v2. So what we can do, we can check this v2 to v1 check and maybe you will find out some bugs. See, what you can check means there is a first I will give you an idea how you can check from using this postman. So there is a see find and replace. Okay, and you want to replace v2 to v1. Okay, I want to change the to v1 in my this collection crappy. So this is the collection name crappy. So I want to change this and select all, means I want to change all. So let's replace it. After that you can run the collection or you can check out one by one, but mostly I do not prefer this. I mostly use the burp sheet for doing this type of thing because see I mostly use the burp sheet, so I know better about that. Okay, so there are many version 2. So first find out which is an interesting endpoint. See, so let's do something an endpoint. Let's go one by one. There is an endpoint. See, we previously checked some bugs and let's try to get those bugs with changing the functionality. See, this is the bug, this is email, this is identity. We started from here. Okay, started from here, get access. Okay, at this. Okay, we tried this. See, we tried this and this. Okay, this video not found. Okay, there is 38 video is there. I think 38 is there. So even that is saying okay 38 is not available, and for you this user see 41 is available. Even 38 is available, but this is not accessible for us. See, so what you can do, maybe we can change it or we can access it, like try to change v2 to v1. So maybe we can access that. See, okay, not found means we cannot access. So see, even some functionality. So maybe what happened in v2 version 2 they patch this, but in v1 maybe that bug exists, so you can use that. So let's check it for another. See, so I think this is already a bug. See, you cannot allow to access this resource, we cannot access. So but there is not v1. Okay, this is not v1 v2. Okay, so there is nothing. There is v1 v2. No, yeah, there is v1 v2. So maybe like this bug is not working. So what you can do, try to change it to v1. or v3, like okay, change it to v1. Okay, let's see v1 is working or not. See, v1 is not working. Let's change it to v3. v3 is not there. So mostly you can try v1, v2 or v3. Okay, so if some application using like this API 1, so you can change it to API 2, API 3, like this. But currently they are using v1, v2 here, so we can use that directly. So let's see this thing, post. So yeah, we change this bug, check this bug. Okay, post, this is not that thing, post invalid token. Okay, for another user 41 is already working. What we are accessing here, yeah, this is already vulnerable. So maybe see, change it to v1, maybe you will get more. Maybe in v1 endpoint they have more things than you can access. So this is also not available. See, I am not using postman because see, I want to see what happening here. Like without understanding the application, I know this is, see, you can use the automation, but without understanding the application behavior. Okay, wait, रुक जा भाई. See, post order. Okay, let's change it to get. See, server error, but there is not v1, v2. You know, let's try out to get some more v1, v2 change. This change functionality is not that thing. See, v2. Okay, let's check some more v1, v2. The post reset password. This is, see, let's check out this. What is this? And this invalid token. Let's use this token. This is also invalid. Let's check out this. Yeah, this is right one. Let's copy this. Okay. Password resetted successfully. Maybe this is also a bug. I don't know which user password is resetted with. So password reset bug is also there, I think so. So you guys can try the password reset functionality bug here also. But currently I am looking for the inventory. See, our we previously run this extender paraminer. So you can check out the result here. See, let's find out some interesting. Okay, you can also check there. Okay, let's check there. Extender, go to param and see, it will find out, okay, email is there, number, but they are already there. So sometimes it will give you, okay, is admin is there, and you can use that for privilege escalation. Okay, so you can use paraminer for finding the parameters. Okay, even you can find out the JSON parameter. You can also use it to finding in the URL parameters. So paraminer is very good tool, guys. Okay, for finding the parameters. So there is nothing. So let's check. Okay, there is any. Go to there, and there is change email. Okay, new email. Which is this account B? New email is account 111. Okay, 3 times 1 means, okay, just copy this because I want to capture some more request. I don't know. Maybe we will find out something. Okay, capture this request. Send it to the repeater. Okay, this is the request, but there is we checked this already. Okay, let's check. Okay, there is, okay, a token is also okay. Let's check it. What is there? This email token is there. This is the token. Let's capture this request. What we get? Okay, new email token. So email is changed successfully. Okay, let's send this request. What happening? Invalid token. Okay, okay. After this email change, then because of that, okay, token is invalid. It's okay. It's okay. Let's check out some more functionality. Let's go to 111 and log in it again. Go to change password. What is previous password? Accept this also. Send it to the repeater. Okay, is there forgot? Yeah, forgot is also there. Okay, let's try this forgot password is there. We forgot, I think we forgot this functionality. We never checked this forgot password. So let's check out this forgot password. This is the email. Sending this request to the repeater. After that, we can submit an OTP. Okay, submit any OTP 1234 and put password from this and capture this request. There is V3. Okay, let's analyze them. See, this there is using its V3. Actually, otherwise, see, we forgot this functionality. We didn't check that because that we left this. Otherwise, see, there is V3. This is using V3 there, and there is no V1, V2. Okay. So, what is this? Okay, okay. This is an OTP. We can put the OTP and check out is invalid OTP. Please try again. Okay. Invalid OTP, invalid OTP, invalid OTP. See, now it's giving the error. Means see, we sended an email OTP. Let's check out. Yeah, we got the OTP, but I didn't put that, and I'm checking this. So it's saying that okay, error means there is no rate limiting. They set it up. Okay, you cannot check it for multiple times. Okay, so let's try to change it to other. Okay, V1. See 404. Okay, let's change it to V2. See invalid OTP. Let's see its access is there or not. See there is no control there, but on V3 they had the control. Let's see, I'm checking again and again, but means we can brute force this. Okay, let's try to capture other users detail, other users account. So we already find out a sensitive data exposure bug. Where is sensitive data exposure? This is sensitive data exposure, and okay, let's try to take our another user account. So how we can take our another user account? By this inventory. Okay, note this. Okay, that's so there is a see robot example account. So let's try to take over that. So how we can take over this account? So first we need to go to login, go to forgot password, let's go to there, and it will send an OTP. Okay, but we don't have this email, so we don't know the OTP. I am sending this. Okay, so we need to put any OTP here, and let's use our this which password. Okay, I want to use this password. This. Okay, be careful. Copy, put it there, and capture the request. Send this request to the repeater. See, normally we are sending the request, then they have the access control, means we cannot send multiple requests. See, invalid OTP 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7, 8, 9. See, means we can send 8 times. After that, we cannot send. See, you have exceeded the number of attempts. But we changed it to V2, then there is no limit. See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, there is no limit. Means we can brute force this. We can brute force this. So how we can brute force? We can use the intruder. Very simple. Send it to the intruder. Clear. Capture this. Okay. Go to payloads. Specialize. Brute forcer. Only numbers. Length is, OTP length is 4. 4, 4, 4 and 4. Okay. Only 10,000 requests. Okay, let's send this. Start this attack. So see what I am doing. I am trying to take over this robot user account. You see, robot. So I don't know. I don't have the email, so I don't know the OTPs. I am just trying to brute forcing. So even this bug is we are getting the through brute forcing, but this bug goes into the P2. So let's try. We get the here or not. Okay, let's we blocked or not. Let's check. Okay, let's check the lengthwise. Okay, why we are not getting? Payload are going one by one. Everything is okay. Let's check. Maybe they blocked us. No. Okay, even we checked every OTP. So okay, let's try to get the other user. So maybe this user is not working. Email is not working maybe. Otherwise, we need to get one successful attempt at least. No change in length also. Okay. So you can use this technique. Okay, I think you guys understand what is the technique. See, if there is no rate limiting, see previously there is rate limiting. There is rate limiting on there, but after changing V3 to V2, there is no rate limiting. Means we can brute force this. But currently, I don't know this user is email is working or not. So maybe you can use other email. There are many emails in sensitive data exposure, so you can try out them to get their account. Okay, so this is improper inventory management. Means you created V2, V3, V4, but you are not managing them properly. Means some functionality in you checked everything in V3, but there is something in working in V2. Means you do not patch that V2. So you can see like this. Most of the time you will see these things. If API target.com V3, API V2 accounts, V3 accounts, V2 accounts. Okay. Okay, other than this, there is SSRF bug. So we already discussed about the SSRF bug. So I will give you only an intro. So see, where we can search for SSRF, if application using an URL, anywhere URL, then we can try out the SSRF. Okay, let's try to find out if somewhere they are calling the URL. Okay, I found out it. They are using URL. So okay, last time when I am checking, okay, let's log in. Was what happened? Okay, let's log in into the second invalid user or password. Okay, I don't know which user we changed it multiple times. So okay, let's log in another account. Let's log in this. We change this also. Yeah, this. Okay. See, last time when we are doing there something, then there is an URL. They are asking for URL. See, Okay. This is the request. See, image URL. So you can check the SSRF there, image URL. Even this is not an URL, but you can use the URL. Okay, let's try the bug collaborator. Find out bug is there or not. Okay. Copy to clipboard. Let's check out this is working or not. Invalid token. Okay, we need to generate new token. Let's use this token. Okay, we have this token. Use this token. Copy. And which is that? 21, not 20. Yeah, 20. Okay, let's use this token here. Send it now. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, and go to work collaborator, copy to clipboard, and this is, see, this is asking for an URL. Okay, let's try out SSRF there. Okay.
Can we put multiple things?
Okay, what happened? Anyone have the doubt?
Yeah, I am trying to say.
SSRF. So we are at this. Okay, so let's check out we get the SSRF or not. See, no SSRF. Means there is no interaction. Means there is no SSRF. Okay, you can also check for another thing like this. I see we already discussed many things in SSRF. What we can perform. Okay, so let's try out maybe this application using URL on another endpoints. No endpoints, no URL, no URL, no URL, no URL, no URL. Okay, no URL, no. Change email, no URL, no URL, no. SSRF, I don't know. I think there this URL, no. Add vehicle, no. Descend ML, no. Detail, no. This is not API endpoint. API mechanic, contact. Yeah, there is an URL. See, okay. Send this request to the repeater. There is an URL. Okay, let's try to find out SSRF is there or not. Same thing. Go to collaborator, copy that request, and paste it that here. But okay, this token is invalid. Okay, we will use this token. So there are many more bugs. I am just showing you some bugs, okay, in this site. So you need to try out them, okay. See, SSRF are there. See, and we get an HTTP request. Means SSRF is there. After that, I already told you like how you can exploit, how many attacks you can perform through SSRF, okay, guys. So next is injections. See, you can perform SQL injection, command injection, and XXC injection. So SQL injection, I think you can understand if application is using the ID parameter. See, there is ID parameter here. So you can try out SQL injection there, or see in body section also. See, there is, yeah, you can also try there SQL injection by using the comma, no error. So let's try. So okay, double is no backslash. See, invalid character. See, object key value pair. Something is there. So you can check out the bugs there. So okay, this application using. Okay, so I will tell you an XXC bug, like how you can check an XXC bug at login endpoint only. Other bug I already explained you everything, so I give you an idea about XXC bug. So this is very good bug, and so I will check it for this. I think this is logging. Yeah, this is logging. Okay, let's log out it. 1 1. Let's capture this request. See, this is an simple endpoint, and how you can check out XXC there. I will give you an idea. because most of the hunter do not check this XXC, and this is a blind XXC. So first of all, see this endpoint you need to check out if application accepting the XML or not. For that you need to change this application to XML. Let's see, but it is not accepting. If they are accepting, then you can change it to XML. See, there is an extension, so you can change it to XML and copy this, and there are many converter and JSON to XML converter. And this is XML. If they are accepting the XML, then just use this payload here, see, and send the request. So after that, see, all things are same. So always, like if application is submitting data through JSON, see if there is JSON, there is JSON. So you can check out the XXC there. But first check if they are accepting XML or not. So see, currently they are not accepting, so you can change this application to text XML. Text XML, let's see. Even they are not accepting also. So you can check out the XXC by using this. Other bugs, so I already explained you, SQL injection, command injection. So same scenario. Okay. So this is all about API.